Welcome to this week's Ask Charlie. I thought it'd be really fun to put together a montage of videos I've created over the last couple of years. I really hope you enjoy looking at them. Dust if you must. Dust if you must, but wouldn't it be better to paint a picture or write a letter? Bake a cake or plant a seed? Ponder the difference between want and need. Dust if you must, but there's not much time, with rivers to swim in and mountains to climb, music to hear and books to read, friends to cherish and a life to lead. Dust if you must, but the world's out there, with the sun in your eyes, the wind in your hair, a flutter of snow, a shower of rain, this day will not come round again. Dust if you must, but bear in mind, old age will come and it's not kind. And when you go, and go you must, you yourself will make more dust. We shall do much in the years to come, but what have we done today? We shall give out gold in a princely sum, but what did we give today? We shall lift the heart and dry the tear. We shall plant a hope in the place of fear. We shall speak the words of love and cheer, but what did we speak today? We shall be so kind in the afterwhile, but what have we done today? We shall bring to each lonely life a smile, but what have we bought today? We shall give to truth a grander birth, and to steadfast faith a deeper worth. We shall feed the hungering souls of earth, but whom have we fed today? We shall reap such joys in the by and by, but what have we sown today? We shall build us mansions in the sky, but what have we built today? 'Tis sweet in idle dreams to bask, but here and now do we our task. Yet this is the thing our souls must ask: what have we done today? I really hope you've enjoyed this week's Ask Charlie and seeing a few videos that you may not have watched. I've created so many videos over the last couple of years, so why don't you take a little bit of time and watch some past videos that I've created. Please give this video a thumbs up and like, subscribe and share my channel with other people that you think might be interested in it. Wishing you a really happy weekend as ever and lots of love.